came up with this great idea to replace my draft handle with a little antler. My wife actually found this shed antler. So what I gotta do is I gotta get a bolt that'll thread on here properly. I'm probably gonna have to grind that bolt down so that I can create a sleeve that'll go inside this antler. Okay, after some grinding, I'm now down to, see that's the size we're at now. I think I can probably drill a hole big enough for this now, deep enough in there that it's gonna hold. I don't know if you've ever had to drill through an antler before. I have in the past, and it is not a nice smell. So I tracked down a slightly bigger bit, and I grinded down my little insert a little bit more, and now it drops in there real nice. So I placed it on here with my sleeve tightened right down, and what I did was just put a little marker on there and on here, so when I place it in there I'm gonna get the desired location. Otherwise I'm gonna end up with it like sticking on a way that I don't want to, but I'm thinking this is the best direction because I'll be grabbing it and pouring like this. Just mixing up some epoxy. Okay, I have my sleeve in place. I'm a little concerned that I might have got some epoxy inside the threads here. I'm not 100% sure, hoping not. All right. Here is the finished product. There we go, just like I wanted it. Fantastic. Very happy with this.